Hey guys, it's Jen from Beauty Ridex, and today we are doing our Battle of the Boxes or Battle of the Boxys, meaning BoxyCharm PR versus a box that I bought myself. This is my PR box. I will list all the information on the screen and in the box below. I think BoxyCharm is really fun to get. I try not to see any spoilers if I can avoid it. I just like getting a fun box of surprises every month. Who wouldn't like that? If I seem annoyed about a product or put out, it's okay. It's just makeup, but it's okay. You're allowed to feel the way you feel about things. It's really not that serious. This is for the month of September. This is my PR box, and it is sent to me free of charge, just in exchange for an honest review, which is exactly what I do here. So the theme for this month is BTS. I wish that meant BTS, but it doesn't. I'm pretty sure it means behind the scenes. Okay, so the first thing I see is a brow gel by St. Lux. It doesn't have a color name on it. Oh, it's clear, okay. Clear gel. I do like that they have little kind of spoolies like this. I kind of wish it was a tiny bit, smaller, but I don't really use clear brow gels, but it's the kind of thing I just kind of keep just in case. This retails for $22. Bow down to your brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them perfect shape. The short brush will give you precise placement of your brows, and the lightweight gel has no residue when dry. St. Lux, I thank you. All right, the next is, insert name here, hair essence. Don't they make, I feel like someone I follow, or maybe a few people, I know Messy Jessie, I'm pretty sure, does videos with them or uses this brand of like hair pieces or something. This is the Quick Slick Hair Essence. This retails for $22. This is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating. Okay, so it smooths baby hairs and like flyaways. Oh, okay. So it's just like a little, it's basically like a little gel in a tube, in like a mascara tube. I don't think I have anything like this, which is the only reason I'm actually gonna keep it. All right, the next is from Dr. Brandt. And this is the Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. Don't we always get stuff from Dr. Brandt? I mean, it's a nice high-end brand, so I appreciate that, but I don't know, give me something else. This eye cream provides antioxidant protection formulated with revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, age defense, and anti-stress ingredients. Helps reduce the look of wrinkles and fine lines, protects against free radicals, and moisturizes. This retails for $46. I'll definitely use this though, because I mean, my fine lines and wrinkles under my eyes are just getting worse. That's probably the part of my face that I least like, is actually just my whole eye area, because I have hooded lids, and if you have hooded lids, you know that fucking sucks. And I mean, I'm 39, so my wrinkles are not hiding. If I was ever to consider plastic surgery or some kind of cosmetic enhancement, it would definitely be like eye area shit. All right, the next is, I think, brushes. This is the Elena Badro Baby Blues set, and this retails for $58, and this is a Boxy exclusive. It's a very nice suede kind of feeling bag, and then we have 3 brushes in here. Oh, these are really pretty, actually. They feel borderline cheap, but not the cheapest I've ever felt, but like, they're not weighty, which I kind of wish they were, for $58 for 3 brushes. So we have an eye brush. This is the Contour Blend and Define. So this would be the contour brush. Define and blend, I guess. I usually don't use brushes for contour. I usually use like a cream contour, and I usually use a sponge. But sure, I'll put this aside and try it out. Why not? And I mean, the bag is really nice. I might just keep this like to travel with or something. Like have a makeup bag for anyway. All right, and the last thing in here is the Glow Getter Face Palette from Blink. Ultra long wear and effortless. Oh my God. Just forget it. This retails for $50. This palette includes 4 smooth matte blushes, 4 luminous highlighters in sophisticated, beautiful shades that enhance all skin tones for your personalized, youthful glow. All right, I'm actually gonna try some because the highlight I'm wearing just isn't highlighty enough for me. So hopefully this isn't one of the things where it's really not universal. I mean, who's kidding who? How many highlighting palettes have we gotten, even if we bought ourselves, that we only use 2 of the shades because that's all that works for us? We're always like, I can use the rest as eyeshadows. Fuck using it as eyeshadow. No. Oh, okay. Shut everything up I just said. Well, I think I can use 2. Well, the blushes, okay. Maybe I can probably use this side of the palette. Possibly something, I don't know. I'll swatch everything. So let's do the blush first. They're all matte, it seems, except for this pinky one that looks like a satin finish, but very, very pretty. I really like this one. The lightest might be a little too light, but they're beautiful formulas. Wow, they're pigmented, Jesus. Wow. This is gorgeous. I thought it was gonna be much deeper than it actually is, but it's right here and it's gorgeous. These two might be my favorite. Okay. And the highlighters, let's see. I mean, I'm guessing right off the bat, I probably won't be able to use this one for sure. We'll see about the rest. Okay, this one for sure. I'm gonna try that one right now. The other ones are just way too gold. This one is like a weird, it's like a very fine formula, so maybe I can get away with these two. But yeah, these two, definitely not. All right, so I'm actually gonna try the two lightest highlighters, one on each side to see. I'm gonna use my Zoeva Luxe Powder Finish brush. So the first lightest one is Empowered. And like I said, I already have a highlight on, but it wasn't the zing I was looking for when I was getting ready. That's very pretty. Okay, so that was Empowered right here, which was the lightest, and now I'll go with this one on the other side. And this one is like a slightly different formula than the other ones. I mean, I definitely think this one probably works a bit better just with my skin tone. This one's okay, but again, I was wearing a highlighter underneath anyway, so I'd have to really find out how much I like them when I am not wearing another highlighter underneath. But okay, I'm gonna give them a chance. Okay, so that was my PR box. I'm excited about this. I'm excited about the eye cream. I'm honestly not super thrilled with these. The brushes were okay. It was nice to get like a different brand of brush besides like Farrah, or it's always the ones we fucking get. I don't know. I'm excited about those things. So let's see what is in our box that I paid for. Okay, and now on to the box that I paid for myself. So same as behind the scenes is the theme. And first thing I see again is the brush set that we got. And because I already have this, I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. The next repeat is the Blink Highlighter Glow Getter Face Palette. And once again, this retails for $50 giveaway. And once again, Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. Retails for $46. Once again, the St. Luxe Brow Gel, and again, I think it's in clear. Giveaway, retails for $22, and then the last thing in here is actually different. This is the Moisturizing Lipstick from Real Her, and it's in the shade Gold Digger. Oh, and it's a terracotta shade. Let's actually see if it's a shade that I would wear. I don't dislike terracotta shades, but I just don't find myself reaching for them that often. My favorite one is by ColourPop. Although this seems a little more like red. I don't know. I'm gonna think on this one, but this retails for $18. And actually, I like the packaging. The only thing different was the hair essence and the lipstick. And to be honest, I actually ended up using this like 3 times since I filmed, because when I flat iron my hair, a little bit to the side, I always have little pieces sticking up here, and I'm like, oh crap, what do I do to put this down? And I was like, oh wait a second, I just got a useless thing that now I can use. So I did use it, and it worked good for its purpose. So just for that reason alone, I'm gonna give it to the PR box, but really it's basically a tie. So congratulations, BoxyCharm, PR kinda, you did it, world's best cup of coffee. And to finish off this video, I thought it would be kind of fun to unbox my Ipsy bag with you for the month. It comes in this little container. You know what, honestly, I just didn't feel like making a whole new video for this, so here we go. And as per usual, they didn't give us a card, so that's great. So, first is the Real Her I Am Divine Pro Wear Probiotic Foundation, Blue Light Technology. I don't really even know what that means. What does that even mean? I got it in the shade Nude. You know what, let's see if the shade's okay. I don't know, but I'm gonna have to check. I wish there was more about the foundation on this, but it's really just the ingredients, warnings, and directions. Like, what does it mean to have something as a probiotic on your skin? I don't know. Doesn't look half bad, actually. And it does come with a pump. It does look a little on the warm side, but really not crazy. I mean, like, it should actually work okay. Does anyone else get really excited when they get like concealer or like foundation in these kind of boxes? It's not very often, but I'm excited nonetheless. Next is from Canalogica, and this is the Facial Hydration Oil, full spectrum hemp extract containing naturally occurring CBD with green oregano oil. Okay, massage 2 to 3 drops into freshly cleansed skin after cleanser, toner, and serum, but before moisturizer. So, okay. The next is from Dragon Beauty, and this is the Dream Glass Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nikita. It almost reminds me of one of my favorite shades from ColourPop, which is Alyssa. Ooh, I don't like this though. It doesn't stand up. And you know, it's kind of just like a neutral, kind of grayish pink. It's actually nice though. I think I will actually give it a shot. This wasn't in the box. This is just something I ordered separately. But yeah, I think this is the more nude one. So this is Bad Bitch, and but it's just a hint more nude. It's not an actual nude shade. Bad Bitch right here, and then Nikita. I haven't actually heard anything about these, so I'm excited to see if they're any good. And the last thing in here is from El Maquillage. That sounds weird. I love the packaging for these. They feel so heavy, but they also immediately make me think it's Makeup Geek. This is the Color Boss. Oh my god. It's a quad of eyeshadows. Jesus Christ. Oh, these are nice. I want to normalize making quads, but just only putting one metallic in. The rest mattes. That's all I want. So I love the like pinky nude shade right here. The odds of me using the metallics aren't very good, but I've not really tried much from this brand, so I definitely want to try the mattes at least. Actually, I'm more excited about Ipsy than I am for anything else, so congratulations, Ipsy, you got runner-up, but kind of won anyway. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, whichever you prefer. It helps me out. And let me know what you got in any of your BoxyCharm, Boxy Premium, or Ipsys for the month of September. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.